This is the Rutgers Cape Center system for multimodal collaboration. The interface technologies being demonstrated are eye tracking by a desk-mounted infrared source and a gimbaled camera, a distant talking microphone array, automatic speech recognition, and a text-to-speech voice answer-back system. And finally, gesture and grasp control of virtual objects, accomplished by a force feedback tactile glove. To demonstrate the effectiveness of these technologies, we have integrated the multimodal interface with Disciple, a collaborative desktop environment for multiple applications. The real video image of the remote collaborator is seen in a small insert screen. The eye tracker produces a gaze-controlled cursor on the screen, and the force feedback tactile glove is symbolized by a simplified icon. The goal of the crisis management application is to collaboratively position and manipulate assets on a terrain map and to simulate a disaster relief operation in the Philippines.
Bob, let's start with the crisis management application.
Okay, that's a good plan. Computer, listen.
Okay.
Create area map bean. Switch to area map. New document. Load Baguio scenario.
Okay, I see the map. I suggest that you create a few icons that are necessary for our mission.
At this point, the local user will create and identify icons on the terrain map using speech and gaze. Then the users will collaboratively position them by the tactile glove.
Create camp. Create truck. Create helicopter. Create helicopter. Create checkpoint. Identify.
This is Camp 2.
Identify.
This is Truck 1.
Identify.
This is Checkpoint 0.
I heard that they need a truck at the checkpoint right now. Can you move it there?
Yeah, of course I can move it for you. Select figure. There you go.
I'm also moving the helicopter to the camp with our supplies.
That's a good move.
Okay.
Now, real-time weather data is retrieved from the World Wide Web using speech.
Before we continue, I would like to see how the weather looks right now. Can you provide me with real-time data?
Sure I can. I can even show you some satellite imagery. Show weather data.
The current weather in Baguio is partly cloudy. High temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Low is 21.
Show satellite image.
Showing satellite image for the Philippines.
Create 3D map bean.
At this point in the demonstration, the user manipulates icons in a three-dimensional environment by the force feedback glove.
Bob, can you take a look at the terrain and see if everything is okay?
Yeah, sure. Select 3D map. Turn right. Stop. Show view of Camp 1. Show view of Camp 1. Turn left. Stop. Okay, I'm going to put this over here. Show view of Camp 0. Show view of Camp 0. Turn right. Stop. Play deaf. Yeah, it looks good like this. I think it's okay.
Okay, the operation is now complete.